Hazel, come and eat. Hazel. Come on, Hazel.
Well, he's taking a bath.
Hey, you're getting me wet, sweetie.
The bowl is too small for him.
It's okay, Papa.
It's a lady in the... Oh my god. Your birds are crazy. They're all up there?
Yeah, I got them all out. Look, Star's like scared. What the heck, Star?
What's she doing?
She's Oh. Come on, Star, get in. Star, get in, take a bath. Get in, Star, get in. Get your feet wet. Come on. Come on, get in there.
Sonny thinks it's a jacuzzi or something.
Look, and then Star bathes in the lettuce with